Hi guys, today I'm going to give you a quick analysis about awareness and avoidance. For example, I'm driving now. I can see in front of me car slows down. I'm just passing to my left. I can see the bicycle my left, and I move to the side safely, and then I'm looking at the signboard. Yes, and then I can see the cars coming inward, so I can see another car in the side park. So I am aware, and accordingly I'm moving side and I'm slowing down. I'm going to speed a little bit now because I got space. Speed's okay now, so I am aware. So accordingly, according to science, according to what I see, I am adjusting. I'm not going to go into wrong side, or I'm not going to get into the crash. So I'm aware. So same way. So, and also I can see there's a curve now. I'm going to be more slows down. So same way, every day, everyone is doing your day-to-day work. You're walking, you're driving, you're talking, any communication you do, always you're aware, you're here. So same way you had to analyze your self-defense awareness. So while you're walking, say a staircase, while you're in the lift, or you're coming out of the door, or coming out of the car, everything you looking around 360 degrees. If you are not aware, though, you will get crashed. Same way you are driving. So this situation you take into self-defense. So that when you go to self-defense is same thing. You are applying the same analysis. So you won't get attacked from behind or front and the side, and because you're prepared to some sort of action to survive. So you might be fight back, maybe you escape, maybe you run. Be the best.